Welcome to the Windows and Computer channel, and I wanted to talk about an app that has reached one of the top apps in the Android store. It seems that it's popular because it seems a lot of people wanted this. Your phone app is an app that's available in Windows 10, but it's even better if you have 19H2, the November 2019 update, and later. And your phone app actually connects to your phone. And here, I got it actually mirrored to my phone. You could see here that I actually can check out my apps. When I scroll on my screen, it actually works. And I can actually check my email, check whatever I want. It's a great way to keep in touch. So you've got your phone screen possibility. You can actually mirror the screen of your phone. If you have Bluetooth on both devices, you need a low power special Bluetooth adapter on your PC for this to work. Then you've got notifications that can pop up. You got messages that can pop up, and even photos. You can actually check out the pictures, the last 25 pictures on your phone. And the app is free and it's downloadable from the Microsoft Store. So it's really, really, really nice and actually is extremely cool. So this is the app to actually get. And this is really, really nice of an app to purchase or to get for free, actually, not purchase. So it is very popular. It seems that it topped the charts on the Android phone, Google phone, of Google Play Store, actually. So it's kind of really, really nice, and it's one of the apps that I use quite often. It's really cool. When you get notifications, you can actually answer from your PC if you want. So, for example, on the bottom right, if you will have a little, card that will display a notification you might be having or a text message, you can just click there and actually answer. No need to pick up your phone. The only things that you need is that it's connected to your Wi-Fi for certain things like notifications and text messages. But there are things also that work without Wi-Fi. And it's important that you have Bluetooth and Wi-Fi enabled to have the phone screen availability. And it works great. I mean, you can actually go on, your app. So here I can open like this and say, hey, I want to go and watch my Twitter feed. And here you'll have all the information about the Twitter feed. I can go into anywhere I want and scroll through stuff. And it works, of course, on both sides. So if I actually, you see here, I just actually switch my phone into different, landscape view and so on. Works great. And it's quite fast. I got to say that it's quite fast for what it is. And you can, of course, do pretty much everything. You can even use your PC if you want. So I can use, for example, my mouse pointer, and I can actually click on what I want to do and go, for example, on Twitter with here. I can actually scroll through my phone using my PC right now. That's what I'm doing. And of course, whatever you do, you can actually just click, and really, really, really nice to have this working, as it's easy to share a screenshot. It's easy to share a picture and have the status of everything. On the upper left corner, you have the name of your phone. Now you see here I've got a little glitch that I'm not sure if it's a little problem with the app itself or my PC, but still, it still works. You have your wallpaper, your phone, what the type of phone you have. You even have the battery, so you will always have the indication of the battery on that panel. So it's a really, really cool little app to get for Windows 10. And like I said, if you don't have Windows 10 November 2019 update or later, you will have photos, text messaging, and notification possibilities. Phone screen is for November 2019 update and later. And of course, you need to have the Android operating system needs to be 8 or later, I believe. And it is not compatible with every type of phone on Android, but there's a growing list. So every few weeks, there's a new list of phones that are now compatible with this. and it's quite cool to use. So check it out. Your phone app is a real nice app, and we learned today that it tops the charts of Android apps in the Google Play Store. If you enjoy our videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thanks for watching.